Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. Alright, so to reset this device we have two options, and of course I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method is simply by the settings, but to do it I need to unfold my phone, just like that. And now simply open up your settings, now scroll down into the bottom until you find the system, and now click on the reset option. Of course we are interested in erase all data factory reset option, which is the last one, but in here also you can reset mobile network settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, device settings, app preferences, best settings, baseband settings, and the erase all eSIMs. Alright, but we need to select erase all data. And remember that all of your data, of course, will be permanently deleted from the phone, and there is no other way to restore it in the future, unless you create a backup. If you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can simply look for it. Okay, and now all you need to do is to tap on that button, erase all data. If you do everything properly, then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be turned off, then turned on automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your phone. But there is also the second method, just like I have told you in the beginning, and it is the reset from the recovery mode. To do it, first let's turn off our device. Let's tap the power button and the volume up button, and just like that. Now click on power off. Okay, and now to open up the recovery mode, we need to tap the power button and the volume down button. Sorry, not tap, we need to hold. So let's keep on holding. Okay, now we can release our fingers. And now using the volume keys we need to find recovery mode, just like that. And now confirm by clicking the power button. Okay. Now again we need to wait a little bit, and now we can see this Android logo, but it says no command. Now to move forward we need to hold the power button, and now simply tap volume up, just like that. And now we need to select, using the volume keys, wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now select factory data reset. Again confirm. Now we can see on the bottom of the screen that formatting data process is running. Okay, now data wipe complete. Now simply select reboot system now, tap again, and just like in the previous method, now the phone will be turned on. And now all you need to do is to simply set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.